Okay, so I spoke with you about how to lay the infant in the crib. So let's talk about crib standards now. So I'm going to read to you some of the crib standards that you need. You want to apply a full-size and non-full-size cribs, including wood, metal, and stackable cribs. If you purchase a crib prior to June 28th, 2011 effective date, and you are unsure it meets the new federal standard, CPSC recommends that you verify the crib meets the standard by asking for proof. And why June 28, 2011? Because sometimes people get cribs from different flea markets or yard sales, and you just want to be careful about that when you are doing some working with daycare versus personal, because they're very strict bylaws and guidelines that you must have in order to have a certain type of crib in a daycare setting. All child care facilities, family child care homes, and places of public accommodation must prepare to replace their current cribs with new compliant cribs. You should not resell, donate, or give away a crib that does not meet the new crib standards. Dispose of older, non-compliant cribs in a manner that the cribs cannot be reassembled and used. Non-compliant cribs should not be resold through online auction sites or donated to local thrift stores. CPSC recommends disassembling the crib before discarding it. So, in other words, um, you just have to be very careful and be aware, because you don't want anything. The number one thing, you don't want any tragic thing to happen to an infant that's in your care, and you also do not want to cut corners when you're buying cribs or any type of materials for daycare. And let me tell you, there's a plethora of different child care companies that sell cribs that are daycare compatible. You can also check with your local monitor. You can go online and look up different guidelines of certain type of cribs that you should buy when you are purchasing a crib for your daycare / group home child care as well. Okay? All right. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And I hope some of these tips helped you out. Bye-bye now.